With the referee in charge, please go immediately to match
Take him
1.
back, he's leaning.
Our gold medalists in the boys heavyweights.
Will.
Pinewood, Dominic Miller, Ben Roberts and Ben Jones. The head referee, the referee in charge to match 1 immediately, please. So congratulations to all the medalists in the boys heavyweights.
Come on, Will.
Thank you, lads.
It's going to pull you back. Watch it.
We will let you know, ladies and gentlemen, when our next medal ceremonies are about to take place.
Forward and back, Will. Switch it. He leans back when you pull him in. Yes! That's the hard work how to do those. Pull it. So I say, bit of